Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to have you here. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of printers. On this first slide, I want to give you a quick overview of what we'll cover. We'll start with the basics of what a printer is, then look into its main characteristics and features. So, stay with me as we dive into understanding this essential device. Let's get started. A printer, at its core, is a device designed to turn digital information into a physical form. Think of it as the bridge between your computer or device and the tangible world, creating something you can hold in your hands. Essentially, a printer takes electronic data, like documents or images, and produces a hard copy on paper. This process involves transferring the digital content onto a physical medium, usually paper, through various printing technologies. Understanding this basic definition helps us appreciate how printers are essential tools in both personal and professional settings, ensuring that digital information can be shared, reviewed, or stored in a physical format. This connection between electronic data and physical output is a fundamental aspect of how we communicate and work today. Now, let's take a closer look at the main characteristics of a printer that are essential to consider when choosing the right one for your needs. First up is print quality, which is often measured by resolution. Higher resolution means sharper, more detailed images and text, which is especially important for professional documents or high-quality photos. Next is print speed. This can make a big difference in busy environments where time is of the essence. A faster printer can help you get your work done more efficiently without long wait times. Color capability is another key factor. If your work involves vibrant visuals or color diagrams, you'll want a printer that can accurately reproduce those colors. Some printers are monochrome, which are more cost-effective if you only need black and white printing. Then we have the different types of printer technology: inkjet, laser, or even lead printers. Each has its own strengths and ideal use cases, so understanding these helps in making the right choice. Connectivity options are also crucial. Modern printers offer various ways to connect, like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even mobile printing, making it easier to print directly from your devices without hassle. Paper handling features, such as tray capacity and duplex printing, can impact workflow, especially if you're printing large volumes or double-sided documents regularly. The monthly duty cycle indicates how much printing a printer can handle safely each month without breaking down, important for high-volume environments. Finally, cost efficiency encompasses the initial purchase price, ink or toner costs, and maintenance expenses. A more economical printer might save you money in the long run, especially if you print frequently. All these characteristics tie back to the overall goal of selecting a printer that best matches your specific needs, balancing quality, speed, cost, and functionality to optimize your workflow. Now, let's dive into the different types of printers and understand their classifications. First, we have the categories based on how they connect to the computer, which are parallel and serial printers. Parallel printers are typically connected through a parallel port, allowing multiple bits of data to be sent simultaneously, making them faster for certain tasks. Serial printers, on the other hand, use a serial port, transmitting data one bit at a time, which was common in earlier setups. Next, let's look at the impact versus non-impact printers. Impact printers work by physically striking an inked ribbon against the paper, creating the image or text. Examples include dot matrix printers and daisy wheel printers. Impact printers are usually used for multi-part forms or situations where carbon copies are needed. Non-impact printers don't strike the paper. Instead, they use various technologies to produce the image. Thermal printers are a good example. They use heat to produce images on special thermal paper. Electroresistive printers, which are less common, use electrical resistance to generate the image. These printers are generally quieter and faster, suitable for high-volume printing. Moving on to specific types of impact printers, we have chain printers, drum printers, and line printers. Chain printers use a chain of characters that rotate to align with the paper when printing, often used in high-speed printing environments. Drum printers have a cylindrical drum with characters around it. As the drum rotates, the correct characters are pressed onto the paper. Line printers are designed to print entire lines at once, making them incredibly fast for large printing jobs. Finally, for non-impact printers, popular examples include laser printers and inkjet printers. Laser printers use a laser beam to create an image on a drum, which is then transferred onto paper using toner, ideal for high-quality, high-volume printing. Inkjet printers spray tiny droplets of ink directly onto paper, making them versatile and great for both text and images, especially in home or small office settings. So, in summary, understanding these classifications helps us choose the right printer for the specific needs, balancing factors like speed, quality, and cost, all of which tie back into our overall goal of efficient and effective printing solutions.